Hey, welcome to my channel, Organized House Ideas. Use of mosquito repellent sprays, coils, and liquids inside the house can harm people and lead to breathing problems. Here are easy to grow and maintain 9 mosquitoes repellent plants for your home. 9. Rosemary. Rosemary is one of the best mosquito repellent plants. Its fragrance keeps the cabbage moths, mosquitoes, and carrot flies away from your home. 8. Lemon balm. This low-maintenance plant is also known as horse mint. Its aroma can remove bugs and mosquitoes. 7. Marigold. The aroma of marigold flowers can help repel mosquitoes and keep away aphids, thrips, whiteflies, and squash bug. 6. Basil. Basil leaves contain a strong fragrance that can help in keeping mosquitoes away from your home. You can grow it in pots and containers. 5. Lemongrass. Lemongrass is known to be an excellent mosquito repellent, as it contains certain properties that completely repel bed bugs due to its aroma. 4. Lavender. Growing lavender is fun and has many uses, including as a mosquito repellent, and it's a lot more plant to smell than some of the other options. 3. Peppermint. This delicious tasting and smelling plant is a great mosquito repellent. Bugs hate the smell and the flavor of them. 2. Citronella. This lemony plant is the most popular known plant to help keep mosquitoes away. You have likely seen citronella candles that work too. 1. Geranium. Plant scented citronella geraniums to help control mosquitoes in pots to put around your patio and in areas where you and your guests might want to sit without being bothered by mosquitoes. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.